This tutorial will take you through how to create an STL from your part file. For this video, I am showing the rim I created in the last video. To create an STL from Autodesk Inventor, you go up to the big I icon and go Save As and go Save a Copy As. When it comes up with the save window, you can save it as whatever file you would like to call it. I will name it rim. And then you want to select the STL file option in the Save As type. When done, you save it. Next, you will open a program called Catalyst EX. In this program, you will take your STL, scale it, rotate it, and prepare it to be printed on the three-dimensional printer. First off, you will go to File, Open STL, and find your STL by whatever name you called it. When you're ready, you press Open. In Catalyst, you can do two things. You can have your parts in inches or in millimeters. Since I drew my part in inch format, I will keep it in inch format, so I will select No. The cube area down here is your print size based on the printer you have. It's an 8-inch by 8-inch square, 12 inches high. To fit my rim in that area, I will play around with the scaling. I will go with 0.1, and I know that fits in the area. It also gives you other options on the right here. You can change the layer resolution to get thinner or thicker layers. You can change it to use less or more material depending on what you're making. It gives you the same option for support. Again, depends on how detailed your part is, as well as you can print out multiple copies of the one object. Next, what you will do is go up to the Orientation tab on the top left. In here, you can rotate your part, scale it again, or look at different views of it. The reason they give you this option is to use as little material and support material as possible. This will save money and time. For mine, I will rotate it 90 degrees on the y-axis. Now that my part is ready to be printed, I will go down to the bottom right and press Add to Pack. This goes through calculating all the layers, the number of layers it takes, the amount of support, as well as material and time it will take to create this object on the printer. When it's gone through all the calculations and completed that portion of it, you will have something that looks like this on your screen. The red portion of the rim is the material that it will use, and the white is the support. The support is used to A, keep it on the tray while it's printing, and B, to support any small features such as the spokes on the rim. Once you're satisfied with what it looks like, you will go up to the Pack tab on the top left. This tab will show you the size of your part in relevance to the tray size, as well as it will give you the option to copy that object or insert another one or remove it. It'll also tell you the amount of material, the amount of support material, and the time it will take to print it out. When you're satisfied with that, you can press print, and this will send the STL to the printer to be made. This has been the tutorial on how to create an STL and print it on a 3D printer.